Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to print hello world in C programming. So let's begin. So here is our Visual Studio Code guys. First I am going to save the workspace. So click on file and click on save workspace as. As you can see I have already saved this workspace as coding name and click on save. And after that I am going to create a folder in this workspace. So click on file and click on add folder to workspace, and here I am adding a folder named test. And after that go into this folder and click on add. Click on yes here, and now we are going to create a file in this test folder. So click on this new file, and here we are going to write our task. So I am writing a task01, and do not forget to type .c. .c is the file extension for C. If you are not typing .c, the code will not run. And now it's time to write the code for the hello world. So first I am typing here hash include, and after that I am writing stdio.h in angle brackets. Basically this is a library which is called standard input output library. This standard input output library provides us many functions and macros that we will explore later, and in this video we will be adding one function that is called printf that I will explain you later. In programming it is a great practice to add comments. So in order to add comments you have to type two forward slashes and then type comment. So I have added header file as comment. Now moving forward, I have typed here int main and then these two brackets, and after that I am typing two curly brackets here. This int main is basically the main function, and in between these two curly brackets we write our program. And at the end of program we always type return 0 and this semicolon. The purpose of this return 0 is that this tells us if our programs run successfully or not. And as you can see, I am running this program and there is no error showing here. So this means that the program is running properly. So if you go into the settings and here you type run code in terminal and make sure that you have checked this box. Now cross this setting tab from here. Our program has 2 points, the entry and exit point. So our program has an entry point right before it enters into the main function, and after this return and the curly bracket we have the exit point. Okay, so this covers all of the essential things before printing the hello world program. So now I am typing here printf, and after that I have to type two brackets and type semicolon at the end of these brackets, and in these brackets I am typing semicolon, and in between these two semicolons I am typing here hello world, and after that I need to print it. So drop down this menu from here and click on run code, and as you can see in this terminal we can see the hello world. So that's how we can print hello world. And if you want to print anything else you can definitely do this. So I am typing here I am a student, and if you run this code you can see in terminal it has been printed. And if you want to type anything else, for example I'm typing here computer programming in C, and after that if I run this code in this terminal it is successfully printed. Now there can be some errors if we do not follow this sequence. For example, if we do not type two inverted commas and only type one, and if we run this code it will generate this error. So we always have to follow these rules which called as syntax in order to get our result. And let's suppose if we miss this semicolon at the end of the line, it will generate an error. This time this is a different error. There are different types of errors that I will explain you later. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.